Hello everyone! Today we will travel to Warsaw, Poland's capital city, one of those underrated cities that you need to visit yourself to get to know it better. Warsaw surprises the visitor with a modern skyline and an architecture that adapted the monumental style during the communism with a very bold functional touch. Let us take you through the streets of Warsaw, beautifully decorated during the Christmas time. The aromas of traditional dishes, the sounds of beautiful Polish Christmas carols, and street musicians offering non-stop open-air concerts create a unique atmosphere. If you are interested in seeing places off the beaten path, the University of Warsaw Library is a place with history that we recommend. The modern skyline of Warsaw is rather a reminder of New York City than of Central European, displaying Poland's capital role as an engine of expanding business development. The Palace of Culture and Science is a notable high-rise building in central Warsaw. With a total height of 237 meters, it is the second tallest building in both Warsaw and Poland, after the Warsaw Tower, the sixth tallest building in the European Union and one of the tallest on the European continent. All over the city during the last days of December, street musicians romped the streets into the sound of music, jointly sung by passers-by who may even give it a try and dance despite the cold. Poland is a Catholic country, and especially if you are visiting during the winter holidays, the churches are full of people of all ages attending the service. We visited St. Paul Church, situated in the Old City, and witnesses the moment. Day and night, street musicians do accompany the locals and tourists, enjoying the beauty of the city lights. They invite you to enjoy and come back again next day for more discoveries. As it is time to close the day, we hope you enjoyed the journey. Hope to see you soon. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel adventures.
Снимается.